What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode, we're going to continue with the VIP trunk setup on the Camry in preparation for the bags. So stay tuned. Okay, so we had to take the spare wheel out. I was trying to leave it in there, but it's no good. Basically, we took out the extra mini jack that it comes with and all that stuff. We did some trimming of the floor. I did it a little more open just to be safe, but sorry, but stuffy nose. Basically, we did the cutout for the tank where it's gonna sit, and then that way when you open it up, it's gonna be sitting on that wheel well, and it's gonna be half in, half out, but you're only gonna see the top part. The hoses are gonna be down there. You won't see that. Most likely run it through this way to the compressors on either side. So then how I did that, I just did a lot of measuring. I measured 2-3 times where the tank is gonna be, basically from both sides, from these two little angles right here. We measured that, and that equal to like 11.5, and then this was like 11. It wasn't even, but no trunks are ever even. And from here to here is about 6 inches, and then the whole tank is about 7.5 more or less wide. So I did the cutout extra big just so we could have an idea more or less where it's gonna sit. And then now we're gonna put the other template under this, make a cutout for this, just so it can sit perfectly on this. And then we're gonna start wrapping this once we get the fabric. I'm pretty much gonna stay with the same false wall and possibly the side panels for now until I get that plexiglass idea going, and at least this will be ready. And yeah, so let's try it out. We also had to build basically a circular floor so we can mount everything onto there with no problem. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you now what we're gonna do next. All right, so now we ended up doing the right measurements for this, and then we added a second board here for support. So now it's sturdy. We can mount this on this, and it shouldn't be no problem when we put on. We're gonna use the factory, where is it, over there, the factory rug, and then we're gonna put the new template over it for the extra support. I started to see if the center will hold the manifold stand. We have to paint that manifold stand, so we'll do that next episode, along with the mounting of the manifold, and then doing the little wires, the air lines going through the actual floor. But for that we have to mount this first, that way it sits properly, we know where the tank is going to sit. And then we're going to come back and do the actual floor of the trunk. We don't need to do it, but just to make it look good when you open it up, I'm gonna do plywood on the bottom, and then I'm gonna wrap it probably in like a smooth black leather or something like that. I don't want to do diamond because it's too much diamond everywhere. I think this will look cleaner with like a smooth black diamond, smooth black leather. And then that way we cover up everything on the floor. You don't see no silver when you open it up. Wow, sorry for the stuffy nose. I think I'm getting sick. Other than that, we're actually gonna put the floor down now and see if everything fits snugly, and I'll show you guys how that looks. All right, guys, this is it. So basically this will be diamond going around this. As you can see, it's pretty centered. This isn't aligned properly yet. It's not bolted onto the box yet, so it does look a little uneven, but guarantee you it's straight. Cubbies, that's for now until we replace this part with like plexiglass so you can see the compressors. The lines of the compressor are going to go through under there, so you won't even see them. But yeah, this is the, well, so this is how it's gonna look. It's gonna sit there. Sorry with the stuffy nose. Oh my god, it's irritating me. So this, we're gonna leave it either black like that, or we're probably gonna powder coat it red to make it pop out a little bit. But the manifold is gonna sit right there. And that's gonna be next episode. We're gonna mount the manifold, and then the lines going down into the floor, and then we're gonna make that floor board using probably this as a template, or the wheel. We're not sure yet. Figure it out once we get there. But pretty much it looks really good. I love how it's coming out. I can't wait for it to be all together. Again, this is temporary. I might end up switching it out. I don't know yet. Trying to figure a lot of things out at once. I'm still missing the struts. I just received the stand, but I had to get it painted. So it's all pure metal. Pretty much the struts are missing, and oh, the compressors, and that's about it. Other than that, we're almost on the ground, bagged. Can't wait for it. All right guys, thank you once again for watching the video. I hope you guys are enjoying this content. I'm really excited. I'm having a blast doing this on my own car. I always focus on all my clients' cars and barely give attention to my own car. And sorry with the background noise or the stuffy nose. I think I'm getting sick, but nothing hard work can get rid of, you know. We're almost back. We're still missing the struts, the bags, and then the two compressors. Other than that, we're almost ready to get it installed. Next episode, you're gonna see me install the management, and then the lines going through the floor, like one of my clients that did before. It looks pretty cool, and it just sums up everything here, and you know, takes away all the clutter that most people see in the airbag system. Other than that, once again guys, thank you for all the support. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. At 1,000 subscribers, we're gonna do another giveaway on my Instagram, and then you guys are gonna choose the winner. It's not gonna be no random raffle picker thingy. Shout out to Marco. He was the winner of our previous giveaway. We just did giveaway number 2 actually. Giveaway number 1 was at 100 subscribers. We got 2 winners out of there. So stay tuned for Marco's car, what we're gonna do to it. I'm not sure, he hasn't chosen yet what he's gonna do, but we got something in store for him. Again guys, thank you for all the support on all the social media platforms, and on to the next one.